So in this welcome screen, you have models and family. So Revit,
Mhm.
we have family and models. You can able to create family separately, and you can import those family to the models,
Okay.
right? Like for example, door family, window family, furniture family, duct family, because you just learned MEP before. So pipe family, everything like you need to create from the family that you can able to reuse by loading into the models.
Okay.
Okay, model and family. These are the two part. What is the extension for a model? Dot .rvt.
That one model.
Dot .rvt. Revit, right? Dot .rvt.
Yeah.
Then for family, dot .rfa. Revit family, RFA.
RFA. Okay.
But we also have template for the model that is like RTE. Dot .rte.
RTE.
That is Revit template. No, that is for the model to create from the template.
Okay.
But we also have family template that is dot .rft.
Okay.
So
Family
totally
template.
two
Yeah.
from two, that is for model and family, and two templates for model and family. Okay,
Okay.
the extension, see, you can see here whenever you keep the cursor, you can see dot rvt, that is similar to
This
dot
is for model.
that is for model, but for
Okay.
family dot rfa.
Yeah. Okay.
But now we are going to create a new model from see, this is like you can able to browse for the template.
Mm.
See that it will be dot rte, can you see that?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
But like actually nowadays like multidisciplinary template, but I can go for browse. When you go for browse, and you can either choose imperial, which is like a feet and inches.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But like metric, when you go back, then the English means normal metric.
Yes.
So whatever you prefer, we can use.
We can use metric because this is what we use in Kuwait. I used to use the feet and inches in America, but
Hmm.
now metric is in my
Hmm.
country. So yeah.
Okay, metric, default metric, click open. That is the template. Using the template, we are creating a project. So we will get RVT file. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the very basic template. So to avoid confusion, I will start always with this basic template for students.
Hmm.
Okay, now you need to understand the workspace. We have the workspace, and I just splitted that workspace, left side property, right side project browser.
Okay.
Okay, these two, it will be below one below another, but I'm just dragging and dropping in the right side.
Okay.
So just I'm just dragging and then dropping in the, see, you can just put it. But sometimes if you can't find, then how it was?
Right click and then I can.
Right click? No, I think you need to go to
Oh. Okay, I see it. View.
view and then user interface, and here you can check project browser and property. These two very important for Revit.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, and if you want like similar to AutoCAD background, you can click this, and
Okay.
you can go back to the normal background.
Okay.
Okay, that is canvas theme. Okay, now this is okay. Now what we have, the access toolbar, quick access toolbar, that like you can able to customize. You can uncheck if you don't want something. But what all things
Mm.
you have, like it's okay that we will be using. Okay, but what if you want to add something to that quick access toolbar? Right click.
Mm. No, it's from here the arrow,
Hmm.
right?
From top, we have that is the quick access toolbar. No, that is like totally quick access toolbar. You can use any of the tools, but if you don't want, then you can just go here and customize.
Oh,
Okay.
mm.
But like if you want something, for example, canvas theme, I am going to right click, add the quick access toolbar. It is coming here. Now from
Mm.
here also you can use that option.
Okay.
But like if you don't want, just right click there and then remove from quick access toolbar. That is we are
Oh,
customizing the quick access toolbar.
okay.
Then the title bar, then the info bar where you signed in, na, that's why you have the sign. Then minimize
Mm.
restore close option. Then like menu. or ribbon, architectural ribbon. In architectural ribbon, we have build the tools, circulation tools, model tools, set of tools.
Mm.
So architecture ribbon. Okay. Then like we will be learning architectural ribbon and then insert ribbon, annotate ribbon. Okay. And massing and site.
Mm.
So collaborate, then view, manage, modify. This is for
Mm.
architecture. The rest for Revit structure and Revit MEP.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Now, like we have here now, this is like graphic option, graphic display options. See here, you can
Mm.
change the scale. You can use
Yes.
coarse, medium, fine, and you can use
Mm.
the styles. How the it was wireframe, hidden line, and all. This is graphical display options. Then below
Okay.
that status bar. In the status bar, we are having design options. These things are advanced that we will see later.
Okay.
Very simple interface. So you know now what is what like here.
Yes.
Hmm. Now, like, see, we have here by default four elevations.
Yes.
But four elevation, that is by default. That's what, like, here, east, north to south. If you
Not
delete
so.
anything, then
Mm.
that particular thing it will go away. Since it's a BIM, BIM in the sense building information modeling.
Mm.
Okay, so whatever you are doing here, it will be updated everywhere.
Okay.
So you can easily generate section views, elevation views, everything. 3D views, rendered views, everything. Now,
Mm.
like we have only level one, level two. Site is for the ground level. Okay,
Okay.
okay, that site like no need to worry. But we have only level one, level two. So how you can see
Mm.
that? Either you can click the 3D view, you can see. See if you don't
Mm.
have 3D view in this template, so you need to click this icon. Then the 3D view will be generated. See here, it's
Oh,
generated. So actually,
okay.
by default, 3D having only level one, level two.
Yes.
So if you want to create more level, you just double click any of the elevation. Okay, the shortcut is LL. Then like you can either draw or pick. I think pick itself better. Pick, and you need to put offset. How much offset? 4,000. Okay, then pick like this. So pick like this.
4,000 what? What is the 4,000 what you mean?
That is the height of each story.
Ah, okay. So 4 meters.
4 meter. But if you want to
Um,
reduce it, you can click the grid. You click the grid. You want any specific measurement? Normally
So this is in
3.5.
millimeters, right?
Yeah,
Okay, perfect.
how much you want that you can put. For example, 3.5 meter, then it will take
Yeah.
3,500. You can put whatever you want. Even you
Oh,
can put
yeah.
10 feet, that it will convert it into like
Mm.
mm.
Okay,
That
okay,
kind of
perfect.
conversion we have.
Mm.
Okay, so if again like here like 10 feet, see it is
Mm.
converting to 3048. And here I
Okay.
want 9 feet, that it will convert to whatever it was.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but like you can also put your own value. But like you need to select what you want to modify. 3,500, and then it was like a 3,000, 3 meter.
Mm.
Just
Three
put it
meters.
3 meter. Then
Mm.
here for the thing like 2.7 meter. Okay,
Yes.
that is like a listening dimension or temporary dimension that you can make as permanent by clicking this icon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, later like you can click that and you can able to put whatever you want. Then it will be there. But I'm
It
just
will be.
deleting. Yeah, deleting
Okay.
now. Okay. And if you are just modifying, just no, you need to rename. Just click, hold for few seconds, then you click. So ground
Okay.
floor. So you can able to see it was updating everywhere since it's a
Yeah.
BIM. You need to
Mm.
hold for few seconds, then you can click. Otherwise, it is just shuffling.
Mm-hmm.
So why I am putting 0, 1 and all? So that it will be in order, ascending order. Otherwise, it will be in alphabetical order.
Yes.
And the other way to rename, you can just go here and F2, function F2, then 3, third floor, then click
Mm.
here and you put yes. Then this one is like a terrace function F2. Right click
Mm.
rename also we can able to put.
Mm.
Okay, now this is how like you can create level. But the level shortcut I told LL. Otherwise,
Mm.
that you can go to architecture, datum level.
Okay.
Okay, you can use pick line, but we can also draw a line. So go to draw line, and then like you can put whatever the value. Okay, then like you need to draw the line like this.
But pick is easier,
Pick
like,
is easier. Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
So when you deleting something, like immediately it is deleting all the corresponding from the project browser.
Yes,
As
yes.
a whole portfolio, you can able to create and work within Revit. That's why it's called BIM.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then like level you can able to create. So now you can see like how many floors, like totally four floors plus terrace we have. But
Yes.
what if you want to create the column center line? You will be having now in the housing plans and all like column center line marking was a very basic thing. Okay, for
Mhm.
that like GR, then like you can
Mhm.
able to draw that. And you know like in the Revit it was like going like the whole number. See, you can just draw accordingly.
Okay.
You can see that how it was coming. And here, so it was 5, it was 6, okay, it was 5. Even after, if you want to modify that, you can click and then 4 meter you can put.
Okay,
Okay,
this is for the columns.
this is for the center line marking for the columns.
Okay.
Okay, and like we also have here. Then like you can also draw this way if you want something.
Mm.
For example, if you want anything here. Hmm. So this kind of grid also you can able to make. I mean,
Mm.
we have the grids there. Okay. Then I'm just deleting. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, but 5, 6, 7, 8. It's
Yes.
difficult to say anyone. So what we can do, just rename that to A, B,
Yeah.
then
And the corresponding,
yeah.
like 1A, 2B,
Ah,
like this.
yes, yes.
Oh,
So if
okay.
anyone, anything, C1, C4, you can just communicate with the site people. C4
Mm.
column need to be checked. There was some issues with it, like that, for that communication purpose. Or if you have window or ventilator, between C4, D4, the window size need to be changed, like that, for that kind of purpose, like this grids, it will work. Okay.
Mm.
Now you understood now. So grid GR level LL level is possible only in elevation, but grid is possible both. So that's why the grid
Okay.
here also it's visible. See before it was
Okay.
not, now it was visible. And actually like you can able to just drag this to cover the grids. Okay.
Mm.
So grid is possible both, but level is only possible in elevation. Okay, these things you need
Mm.
to remember.
Mm.
Even in the 3D, you can able to see the grid and the levels.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay. So as usual, like try to save this in a specific folder.
Okay.
So go to documents somewhere and don't put in desktop because here it will be creating multiple backup files. So you need to create,
Mm.
I think, control X. Then I will put inside the control V. Okay. So it's better to put in a particular folder. Then like open that and you can just put a mm,
Project one.
project one also we can put project one, just project one, and
Mm.
RVT just to save it.
Yes.
So whenever you just save, the backup files also it will be saved. So in that folder, like it will not disturb anything else. Otherwise, if in
Yeah.
the desktop like too much coming, like if you're deleting anything, something happened, like we can't retrieve that file.
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
And for level, it was okay, like both side not needed. But for
Mm.
the grid, like you need to have both side. You click this, everything you want to edit it, then you need to click from the property edit type.
Mm.
Go there, and I'm just going to put both side. See, it was like bigger. Now you can just make it like this. Okay, then like click OK. Apply OK also okay. Directly OK also okay.
Okay.
Hmm. See, now you can see
Um,
like both side. And even these things, if you want to modify everything from the edit type, it's possible. See,
Even the size, everything, huh?
this black now actually. This you can able to put to this one. And also the pattern is grid line. This is the grid line. Or if you
Yes.
want like long dash, you can also put long dash.
Mm.
See now like it's no more the grid pattern. It's red color long dash.
Okay.
And like if you want to make it bigger, 1:200.
Mm.
So from here, actually here, it's possible for all the annotations like this. If it is 1:50, it will be smaller. One
Yeah.
is to
Okay.
100, okay. So accordingly, you can use. If it's a very big project, you can choose accordingly, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then like whatever you are changing, try to put save frequently so that like your work will be without any interruption.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
If you like anything happen, you can work with that saved file. Okay. So you are okay with it? Like
Yeah.
how to create a new template and how to work with the levels and grids.
Yes.
Okay.